In today's video, Mitch reveals his new Beta 300 RR 2-stroke, and we join him on his first ride off-road on the new machine. And I suspect that many of us may be considering the Beta as a replacement for our KTM 300s. We'll all be keeping a very close eye on its performance over the next few months. But first we catch up with some good friends on a road ride to York. You know, there was a time when companies used to build things with the aim of making them last. And as a result of their quality and pride in their work, they were able to build up very strong brand loyalties, and strong friendships and trust developed. They even built quality bicycles that are still riding perfectly 100 years later. Unfortunately, the whole philosophy of making things last is lost. And as a consequence, most of our tips are full to the brim.
Only one sad line told me she no longer mine. Yes, sir, mailman, that'll do for some time.
And will you take a look at that? Even Evel Knievel's signed jumping machine is still running. And now they say Beta is breaking its way onto the scene. And apparently people are lining up to buy the new models. We're led to believe that they're selling as well as hot apple pie on a rainy day. And here comes Mitch, ready to wow us with the new Italian Stallion. This is my first glimpse of the Beta 300 RR 2-stroke. It comes with oil injection and a carburetor. When I sit on this machine, it feels very nimble, and the seat height is perfect for me and a little lower than the KTM that I ride at the moment. I also note that it comes without a kickstart. I'm not sure that I like that in an enduro bike. I'm sure that it'll take a few rides for Mitch to actually dial the suspension into his liking, but I do note that it's handling all of our afternoon track with no problems at all. It seems to me that it's going to be quite a substantial competitor for the 2-stroke scene. It will be very interesting to see how this bike performs in the long run. I'm looking forward to monitoring its progress and doing an in-depth video on this very machine. It seems to me that both Beta and Sherco are making major inroads into the off-road scene here. I'm not really sure with what this new competition will do to the established brands, and I really don't know whether it'll be good for us or not.